On Thursday, August 13th, Israel and the United Arab Emirates announced an agreement that will lead to full normalization of diplomatic ties between the two countries, a move that reshapes the order of West Asia politics from the Palestine issue to Iran. Under the so-called Abraham Agreement, which United States President Donald Trump helped broker, Israel has agreed to suspend annexing areas of the occupied West Bank as it had been planning to do. It also firms up opposition to regional power Iran, which the UAE, Israel, and the United States view as the main threat in the region. So, what does this agreement mean to India? While India is yet to formally react to the landmark development, experts believe that India's diplomacy in West Asia is now expected to get a boost and New Delhi will be satisfied with this deal. In the last few years, India's strategic partnership with Israel has soared and ties with Abu Dhabi have grown manifold. In fact, India is among the few countries that has been able to maintain equal, strong ties with all parties, Arabs and Israelis, Israelis and Iranians, Iranians and the Gulf states. According to reports, diplomatic ties between Israel and UAE, one of the key players of the Arab world, will make India's outreach in the region smoother as it enjoys goodwill of all sides.